The recent FDA approval of Durvalumab is based on a large phase 2 study that was done in patients who received prior platinum. The data appears very similar to data that was obtained in the Durvalumab and the atezolizumab trials. The toxicity profile is very similar. I think the FDA looked at that as another agent in the same class with very similar activity to agents already approved with a good safety record. And I think that on that basis, the approval was granted. I think how this compound will be used in consideration of multiple drugs in space will be a little complicated, as when you're second or third or fourth, even though you may be a very effective drug, physicians may already, in a sense, be geared up to use other agents. But I think that as additional data comes out, there may be selected patients for which a specific therapy may be more appropriate. But I think it's too early to say that yet. The recent rapid approval of multiple checkpoint inhibitors, including both anti-PD-1 and anti-PD-L1 therapies in urothelial cancer, have really been paradigm shifting. Clinicians who've been using these agents now for over a year after approval, and even some in patients treated on clinical trials, subsets of patients have seen really dramatic responses. Some of these responses are incredibly durable. For a clinician who's been taking care of this disease for a long time in an era when we had suboptimal therapeutics, this is a very exciting time. We have a lot of work to do. Most patients don't respond to these agents, so we need to find ways to identify those who will respond and, frankly, develop better therapeutics to broaden the benefit to a larger group of patients.